why 90% of traders lose money in the financial market?
Why 90? Because 90% are losers and 10% are winners. That's why they lose money. Okay, I'm joking. Actually, not 90%, we could say even 100% of people lose money on while trading financial markets. And I wouldn't say it's true or it's not true. Who knows? Nobody knows, yeah? But we may expect that somebody should make some money, right? Otherwise, why these markets are anyway in a trend? I mean, everybody is using it. From a point of view, it means that like uh, 90%. Who knows? 90% of whatever businesses, whoever started. I mean, for example, let's take whatever business was on your mind, selling, I don't know, watches. If you don't understand the watches you try to sell, I guess you could close your business after a while. If you analyze, 80% of businesses or new open businesses close in first year. The same is trading. It's a similar type of business, just it's faster, better, more nice. A lot of people think that it is very easy, you don't need to learn anything, and they just try to trade, like gambling. Finally, they risk a lot, and anyway, they lose. That's one thing. And another thing, a lot of people don't learn, don't train, don't do anything. They try to, like if you try to drive a car and you don't learn how to drive, you risk a lot to get in an accident. Yeah, it is so. And if we talk about people who really train, they are trading, I'm not sure they lose. First, and the second, we don't know even if somebody is losing for sure. But I'm not sure about the rate. I don't think it is 90%. Who can give you this percentage? Anyway, trader works through a broker or through a bank. Both of them. But first, there are a lot of banks, thousands of banks in the world, and the same thousands of brokers, companies that trade your deals. So in this case, and both types of them are guaranteeing to the traders confidentiality. So it means that nobody knows how much money they earn or how much money they lose. So if we expect that we talk about 1,000 banks and brokers, but they don't tell to anybody who what money makes, wherefore we can get any statistics. It's just kind of word of mouth. Somebody is saying because he lost, but what he lost? He lost $5, $10, $50, 100 or 1,000 or 10,000, 1 million, whatever. But if you don't understand how to trade, it means like you try to invest or to trade and you don't understand anything about the topic. Yeah, it is. It is a big rank that the big risk, big probability that you should lose. But if you trade, in this case, it's the probability goes down, goes to zero, decreases. I can give you an example. What means investing? A lot of people think different, but I can take it as an example. Just imagine a person is walking on the street, a strange person. The second gets close to it and say, "Oh, hi, how are you? Fine," things like that, and then says, "Look, can you borrow like 50,000 from me for 1 week? And after 1 week, I'll give you 75 back." What? And for example, this one thinks, yeah, why not? Let me invest. He goes home, take 50,000, 50 grand, gives him. His wife asks, well, why you take the money? He says, I invest. Okay. Well, she believes he is right. Okay, you invest. Okay, we expect 1 week after, nobody appears, no money appears, and he thinks, oh, what the fuck? Where's my money? I mean, that one was a liar. He is a kind of bad guy, because he didn't give me back the money. But is it really investment? Let's check it another way. The same situation, two strangers like met some incidentally, and one asked the second, look, can you borrow 50 grand? I'll give you back 75 after a week. And the first one asked, look, okay, might be. First of all, let me know, what's your name? Okay, he says, Josh Smith, for example. Okay, Josh, where from you'll give me this money back? Why you need this money? Well, look, I just open a restaurant, I arranged, incorporated the company, make a lot of marketing, a lot of things, I have a lot of bookings, everything is arranged, full, it is full for all week, and I just don't have enough money now to buy the material. I mean the producers, the drinks, the food and things and so on. And for me it's needed exactly 50 grand now so I can go on. And that one asked, look, can you show me your restaurant? Yeah, of course, let's walk. They walk on the street, after the corner they get into a really new restaurant, nice one. A lot of people waiting, in a queue, a long queue, a huge queue, like McDonald's opened in Russia 20, 30 years ago, kind of. And he says, look, it's your restaurant? Yes, it's mine. Let's get inside. They get inside, they get in the manager's office, and then once shows to him all the details, all the documents of preparation, all the bookings, all the reports, things, balance sheets, a lot of things actually he shows to him. And finally this one asks, oh yeah, it's nice, it's really yours, it's really working, yeah, it means something. But look, if after a week you don't give me money back, what happens? And that one says, look, let me write you in the docs, or give you a part of my restaurant as a warranty if I don't give you money back, kind of. So in this case, he gives his money, and after a week he might get some money back. Yeah. So both cases you may name them as investment. But what's the difference? In first part, it's just 1% of 100 that somebody will really come back and give you some money back. In the second part, really could be that after 2 days starts the pandemic starts, everything is closed, the restaurant doesn't work. It is a risk too, or whatever what happens. But the risk is quite small, as usually really the restaurant should work and he should get his money back, right? So in the second part, he has kind of 70% of probability that he will really get his money back. So what's the difference in investment? If I now throw some money over the window and wait that somebody will throw me back more, it is not an investment. It means that you are a stupid one and nothing else. And in another case, investment means put your money under a certain business processes which you can control and you understand how they work, and these processes really increase your resources investment from the beginning, so you get some more money back. So the same thing is in trading. If you want to make money, you need to buy cheap. For example, euro, stocks, whatever else, currencies, bonds, whatever you want. But bonds is not so interesting. More interesting is stocks, maybe even some indexes. For example, S&P 500 is interesting too. But you need to buy it cheap and sell it expensive. For understanding the best moment when you need to open the deal, you need to understand it is really cheap or it's not cheap. How you can understand this if you don't even learn a bit, if you don't make researches, you don't do anything? I mean, if you don't invest time in your knowledge, so in this case you will leave a lot of money and you'll get some knowledge, but it will be more expensive, After you lose, you might get really some knowledge as well. So, but the best thing is what? Why people first start trying learning and then go to job. So first you go to courses, you learn something about markets, then you go to trade, then you make money. Then again, while you are trading, you are anyway learning and you are developing, your additional courses might be taken, and you are increasing your profit step by step. And in this case, you might get to the point you wish. First, you need to start actually with your goal. What exactly you want? What you need money for that. So in this case, you are welcome. You may start trading.
Do you recommend any course or anywhere from where we can get this knowledge to start trading?
Yes, you can take my course.
How is your course? What is about your course? Can you give us a little bit more information about?
My course is a course made of 13 years of trading, actually arranged in a certain specialized course that is made of 4 weeks. It means like 20 lectures. Okay, 5 lectures and 15 workshops. 5 lectures, it's supposed more general information like theoretical one, so that a person like five lectures in which by 2 hours in which the person should understand what is the market, how it works, how it's arranged, who is the trader, what type of analysis we use, how we work with those analyses, what is money management, how we can start the deals, what types of strategies, and a lot of things, okay, inside that just get you a knowledge. So finally you pass a test and it shows is it for you or no, because maybe it's not for you, it's too difficult. And if you pass the test after this theoretical part, so you go and purchase the practical one, which means workshops. It means 3 weeks, 3 weeks by five days, 2 hours a day. 2 hours a day is the workshop, 1 hour is the homework. So finally is 3 hours a day to work on it. So on 3 weeks every day, okay, working days I mean, without weekends. And the first week we analyze and work on every detail from the trading platform. The second week, and we try every instrument and things, everything, all details inside. Then we arrange certain strategies and test them. This is the next week, I mean the second. This is in few words, of course. And the third week is arranging all this in a business plan, which contains trading plan, trading strategy, which most suits you. Then it is a financial planning of how, what type, depends on strategy. It can be long-term trading, short-term trading, what types of contracts you should use, so that you can get get your money and your profits at the end of it. And at the end, you pass an exam.
Okay,
After this,
that's
you start trading.
that sounds interesting. Where we should go to look for your course then?
On my website, it is named traderstimegq. Okay, you'll see the link.